This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the pairing now, so make sure the AirPods case is charged and both buds are inside. This ensures they enter pairing mode reliably. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and keep the phone within 1 to 2 feet of the case to maintain signal strength. Make sure other nearby Bluetooth gadgets are paused or turned off to prevent automatic connections. These first actions reduce random failures and speed up discovery, so do them before you press any buttons. You now put the AirPods into pairing mode by opening the lid and pressing and holding the small setup button on the case until the LED flashes white. This signals discoverability. Then, on your phone, locate and tap the device labeled Mivi AirPods in the Bluetooth list. That action sends an authentication request. If a confirmation prompt or a pairing code appears, accept it. This authorizes the link between devices. Doing these steps precisely prevents half-pair states and ensures both audio and control functions. You finish by waiting for the phone to show connected and then immediately test playback and the microphone using music or a call. This confirms both audio channels and voice routing. If the connection fails or audio is one-sided, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repeat pairing. If problems persist, restart your phone or toggle Bluetooth off and on to clear caches. That often resolves lingering handshake or profile conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.